Hello again, this is Terry on Terry's Travels channel. Thanks very much for looking in. Today we're somewhere different. We're at Callendar House. Guess where Callendar House is? Callendar? No, it's not. It's Falkirk. Fabulous building. I don't know exactly how old it is. I suspect it's about 200 years old. Something like that. I'll show you it hopefully from above and outside, and we'll have a little look inside. It's really nice inside too. It's got a museum. So, turn us round. Let's see where we are. It's got a great park round about it. And if you've got little kids, it's like the bigger kids, you've got all of this stuff over here. Oh, and look, an open air cinema. 24th, 26th of May. Pretty Woman, Mamma Mia, Extravaganza, Top Gun, The Gruffalo and Stickman, Sing. That sounds quite good. Yeah, that'd be a neat thing to have, to go to. It's difficult to get to. Use your navigation on your phone to get to it. I was glad we had ours on today. Only went wrong once. Almost ended up in the multi-storey car park at one point. Public toilets there as well. Baby changing. Oh, very good. Callendar Park with Callendar House in it. Buy stuff from an outside food stall. There's Callendar House just through the trees there. I would have gone the wrong way totally, but it is. They have a lake behind it as well. So I'll put the drone up at some point and let you see the lake as well as the house. Certainly you're not short of space here, are you? You could do wide games with the kids or anything. Could do wee games of football or cricket or throwing frisbees around. There we are. Let's have a look at the sign. And there's the house. Let's go in and see if we can have something for lunch in here.
In you come.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
But this is good, there's a lot of stuff going on here.
No, I don't need tickets here. I don't think it's free, is it? Alright, and it's got a museum which is in that way. A lot of Roman stuff in the museum. Yeah, Antonine Walls round about here, which is the next one up from Hadrian's Wall. And here we have the cafe, and this is fabulous. Nice ceiling and all the rest of it in here. So the first floor up has got museum stuff. Go up another floor. So, this is, so downstairs was Roman. Here we've got how the world was, I suppose. Wait for it, wait for it. Oh, dear, dear. Well, I've been through here before looking at all of these things, so I'm not going to spend a long time looking at them this time. I'm really looking for an art display that's on. I'm getting distracted. Got up there, the Beatles. Agricultural stuff. Great views from the windows up here. That's the best place to be today, outside. What's this? Sweet shop. Oh, we all love this, don't we? Sour plums, carnation milk, that lemon drops. Oh, I remember that soap in school. Closer to that, I wonder. Yeah, I'm sure some of that still exists. Right. Here's a big shot. It's a carronade. Developed in 1778 by Caron as a light cannon. Built locally. Right, so here's this art exhibition then.
And you've got a kind of Egyptian mask there, you know, it's a wonderful. And that's what was interesting about being and working in Berlin was you had a country, a nation who had caused absolute havoc in the world. So that so many people, you know, a very, very special race of people, Jewish people, were to be absolutely eliminated, which is an appalling idea, you know, for any nation to impose that on another nation.
Tell that to the Israelis.
So I felt that I had a mission to try and interpret their situation or the suffering, you know. So some of it like this,
Okay.